I have never touched a snake in my life. I've never, had any interaction ever with a crocodile. I just did because I had to do it.
Welcome to Bollywood Live. This is Sanskruti, your host, and I'm super excited for Khatron Ke Khiladi 14. So today I have with me Niyati Fatnani, who is all set to face her fears with Khatron Ke Khiladi 14. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
So, firstly, how is the feeling? Because Khatron Ke Khiladi is something everybody wants to do.
Yeah, Khatron Ke Khiladi everyone wants to do, and everyone is scared also to do it, like, so similarly for me also, I mean, every day I'm like, every day is different. सुबह उठती हूँ, कई बार लगता है खतरों के खिलाड़ी, और कई बार लगता है खतरों के खिलाड़ी साइन कर लिया मैंने. सो या नर्वसनेस भी है और एक्साइटमेंट भी है.
Of course, but what was the reason, that you said yes? Because obviously many people, like you said, are scared also.
Yeah. So yeah, when Khatro they called me, and immediately I couldn't answer. So I was like, let me think about it and I'll let you know. And then I'm thinking, hey yaar, why should I be doing it? Because this is my first show as a reality, thing, And people know that I'm a good dancer. I would rather do some other show. But then I was like, in terms of work, I don't like complacency. So I thought that why should I do what is expected out of me? Why should I not just surprise people and myself? Because definitely this is fighting fears and doing what you've never done before. So I thought that this is definitely going to make me stronger as an individual, and also people who have not watched me, they will know that okay, this girl has a spark in her. Like she is not just a good dancer; she can also fight her fears. And I thought it will be exciting for my fans, and I will learn something about myself as well.
Yes. So, is there any fear that you want to overcome in this journey?
Absolutely, so many. I mean, like, come on. I have never touched a snake in my life. I've never, had any interaction ever with a crocodile, or 40 feet high pe aapko stand karna. I've never done that. So yeah, all those things are definitely there, but the obvious one is water. I'm like really scared of water. That how do people hold their breath in water? So yeah, all those things are there which I definitely want to overcome.
So, any special trainings or something that you've been doing for this show?
Physically fitness, I've always been like I've always worked on my physical fitness. Mentally also, because of your work schedule and all of these things, you face life, so mentally also you're strong. But as I said that I'm so scared of water, so I took some swimming lessons. And then I realized that जब मुझे shoot पे swimming करना होता है, तब तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी. एंड आई हैव डन शोज वेयर आई हैव हैड टू डू स्टंट्स, हार्नेस एंड व्हाट नॉट. So become a jal pari and stuff. So उस time पे I just did because I had to do it. So you're also, अभी तो मैंने swimming lessons भी ली है. So हाँ, but I'll keep giving me myself pep talks and I'll go ahead with the stunt.
Definitely. Also, are there any favorites from previous seasons if you have watched?
So I like I have friends who have done the show, like Karan has done, Ritvik has done, Ravi Dubey has done, so I really liked that season because it was so much fun. But in terms of doing stunts and if you talk about a girl, I would say Nia. She's been my like real favorite. The way she pulled off every stunt, with being so calm, is really nice.
Okay, so lastly, it is going to be Rohit Shetty.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to be with him. So, how is the feeling? And, he's strict at times.
Yeah, I mean, his personality is of course very intimidating, being the OG of action and stuff, and he knows everything about the stunt. So of course it's very nervous feeling to do stunts in front of him. But simultaneously, I'm also very excited to kind of to get his input. That because I've seen that he also motivates people. अगर कोई बोलता है that मैं abort कर दूँ, so he's the first one to say नहीं, abort नहीं करना है, go ahead with the stunt. Just do it. So I'm kind of really looking forward that how the entire experience, to do stunts in front of him, going to be like, and so I'm kind of looking forward to it, and I'm really excited.
Same here. So I hope you do well, and of course you reach the finals.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you to your viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Life.